Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to give account access to other users on Ziprecruiters. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch Ziprecruiter's employer account, which of course I have done right here. Next, I'd like you to know that Ziprecruiter is a job site that aims to match businesses with the right people for their open roles. Its AI matching finds and reaches out to specific job candidates to apply for your open position as soon as it goes live. So now that we know a bit of what Ziprecruiter is about, let's quickly hop into today's text, which is how to give account access to other users of Ziprecruiter. So from this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the top right corner of the screen where you have the My Account tab. So click on that, you're going to find an extended menu that says Subscription, Settings, Help Center, all the way to Sign Out. So go head over to Settings and click on Settings. You're going to find an extended menu that says Users, Hiring Companies, Career Page Widgets, Hiring Badges, My Labels, Company Info, and Options. Go ahead and click on Users. And once you click on Users, that's going to take you to the Users window. From this Users window, if you want to give account access to other users on Ziprecruiter, then it means you have to add a new user. So from this window, if you're allowed to add other users apart from yourself, go ahead and click on this Add User button, which is going to be enabled. Click on that and follow through the on-screen prompts to add a user. Now, I'm not able to add other users because I'm not using the pro version of Ziprecruiter. I'm just using the free version. But if you want to subscribe to the pro version, go ahead and click on this Buy More hyperlink, and that's going to take you to the next window. In here, you can just click on here. It says, unfortunately, you cannot add additional users because you're on a free plan, and to upgrade your subscription, click here. So go ahead and click on this click here hyperlink, and that's going to take you to another page where you can now pay, or you can now subscribe to the free version to the pro version that says post a job, or click the button below to start a free trial. Now click on this activate now button, and it's going to take you to the window where you can now pay for your subscription. Of course, once you have done that, so here you have standard and you have premium, so go to premium and try premium for free, add your card details and post your job. So I'm going all the way back to that window we came from. So back and here. So remember, after you've already subscribed, this is going to be enabled to click on add users and follow through the on-screen prompts to add your user. Now you can give account access to any user of your choice. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.